Myself, Naganika, faculty, Government Model Degree College, LRD. Now, let us discuss Tally ERP 9. How to enter the inventory details in Tally. Now, inventory consists of here raw material, work in progress, and finished goods. Next, inventory denotes current assets. So, we have the stock in current assets also. Here, to maintain the inventory, we have to do the inventory in computer accounting cycle. Next, here in computer accounting cycle, computer accounting cycle when maintaining inventory details. Here computer accounting cycle when maintaining inventory details. Here how to maintain the inventory details? Step 1. In step 1, first we have to create a new company. Means here company creation. Next, after creation of a company, we have to create the ledger accounts for the transactions. The second step is ledger creation. Step 3 is inventory creation. Step 3 is inventory creation. Step 4 is voucher posting. VOUCHER. Voucher posting. Here first step is creation of a new company. Next, after that we have to create the ledgers. Then step 3 is inventory creation. Here inventory creation means stock groups, stock items, units of measure. Here we have to create these three: stock groups, stock items, and units of measure. Stock groups, stock items, and units of measure. Now, how to enter the inventory? So, how to enter the inventory in Gateway of Tally menu? First, we have to go to the Gateway of Tally menu in Tally ERP9 software. Then next go to Inventory Info. Then click on Inventory Info option. Next, whenever you click on the Inventory Info option, first this menu is used to create the stock details, and when you open this menu you can get fault options to get extra options in inventory info menu. Next, after this we have to click on the F11 features button. In F11 features button, now in F11 features button, this is F11 features window. In this, maintain multiple go downs, give S option. Maintain stock categories, give S option. Then go to the enter and accept this screen. After that, first in inventory info menu, here we have to create the first stock groups. So what are the stock groups? Inventory info menu, Gateway of Tally, inventory info menu, then stock groups. Here in stock groups, next here company features. In stock groups, first we have to enter the stock groups. Now first we have to enter the units of measure. First we have to enter the units of measure. We have to enter the units of measure. So here units of measure means here money is measured in the terms of currency. Next money aithe we measure in terms of currency, but stock items means here we have to measure the stock items in like numbers, kilograms, liters, boxes, pieces, bags, tins and dozens. Normally a stock item is measured in 1 unit. Now creating units of measure. How to create the units of measure in gateway of tally? Gateway of tally, then inventory info, gateway of tally, inventory info, units of measure, create. Gateway of tally, inventory info, units of measure, then create the units of measure. So this is unit creation screen. In unit creation screen, type is simple, symbol means rupees, formal name is rupees, number of decimal places are 0. So for example, we measure the in units, symbol is units, type is simple, symbol is units, formal name is, otherwise numbers we can use. Symbol is numbers, formal name also numbers, number of decimal places 0. So here this is unit creation screen. Unit creation screen. In unit creation screen, here first you have to give the type, symbol. The type is almost default, it is simple only. Next symbol, formal name and number of decimal places, number of decimal places we have to give the 0. Type is simple, symbol. Next symbol is numbers, formal name also numbers, Here this is the window. We have to create first units of measure creation screen. Here always you give the number of decimal places, that is 0. Next next you have to create the stock groups. Stock group creation. In stock group creation, generally stock group is used to create the stock items, brands, groups, stock items. Next here creation of a stock group is optional. Next here we can create a stock group. First stock group creation. In gateway of tally, how to create the stock group? Gateway of tally, then inventory info, then stock group, then create under single or create under single or single stock group. So for example, this is stock group creation screen. In the stock creation screen, name is for example mobile. Next under is primary. Can quantities of items be added? No. If we want to add the quantities, you give yes option, otherwise give no option. Now first this is stock group creation screen. Stock group creation. This is stock group creation. Now name of the stock groups, alias. Next under, so always under is primary. Can quantities of items be added? Can quantities of items be added? Then give S option, give no option. Next, this is the stock group creation in Gateway of Tally ERP 9. Then next is creation of a stock items. Stock items, how to create the stock items in Gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally, Gateway of Tally, then inventory info, then stock item, then create single stock item, create single stock item. Here this is stock item creation screen. This is stock item creation screen. Here name of the stock item is name, under is primary, then units are not applicable. Next opening balance, quantity, rate per unit and the value. So this you definitely you have to enter the stock item details. Then these are the three options in Gateway of Tally. Now if you want to create the godowns, you can create the godowns in Gateway of Tally. Now go to the F11 features button. In F11 features button, maintain you have to give the godowns. In godowns, so how to create the godowns in Gateway of Tally menu? How to create the godowns? So go to F11 features. Go to F11 features, then maintain multiple godowns. Maintain multiple godowns, give yes option. Maintain multiple godowns, give yes option. Then godowns creation screen will be opened. The godowns creation screen will be opened. So where is the godown? So where is the godown? This is godown creation screen. Next, where is the godown? It is located at SR Nagar. Next, under is primary. Then our stock with the third party, no, third stock party with us, there is no option. This is godowns creation. Then next is stock categories. Creation of stock categories. Stock categories. How to create the stock categories in Gateway of Tally? Gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally. Stock categories. Inventory info. Inventory info. Then stock categories. Create single stock creation. Create single stock categories. Then how to create the stock categories? Here stock categories groups. Now you open the F11 features button. You give the maintain stock categories. First you go to F11 features and next you give maintain stock categories. Maintain stock categories, give S option, give S option. So stock categories option will be displayed in a inventory info menu. Stock categories displayed in a inventory menu. Next, this is stock category creation screen. This is name is 64 GB phone, under is primary. This is stock categories creation screen. Now here in inventory info menu there are units of measure, stock groups, stock categories, godowns. So these are the options in inventory info menu. So this is inventory info menu. Thank you all. Thank you very much.